Ngakechyo boigo muwaziri w'oburendi bwaime KIERICHIKO-MURKOMEN nigakira na chinsemecho na boigo kurwa engora yae na boiga magombae gocha ase ya mate yabakegosiria aba mwabo chingaki umuriro bakogotumika gogotubuka ase skuru y'abanyaruka ya utumishi okwana nabaliki bamangana nigaye nekia bene Bwachakirigwe Obotuki asaine keria kero mu Kenya GOIKA KIERICHIKO-MURKOMEN ke TOIMOKIE sonde bwensi orabwatiraniwe namangana yogotibora umuriro ase chinsemecho.
To the families that lost their loved ones. We know that this is a very anxious moment, and even as we account for the 16 so far identified as having passed on, I want to ask the people of Kenya that together we stand with the families, the Utumisha Academy fraternity, and the rest of the family members who have lost their loved ones in prayer, in support. I ask everyone to be patient. We avoid speculation as to the cause of this tragedy. I also want to thank the multi-agency team of disaster response, starting from our county security team led by the county commissioner, the KDF team, the various formed up units, including us too, that came in very fast. As you very well know, most of the students who come to this school are children of our officers who serve in the National Police Service. And so as a ministry and as a family, we stand with everybody, even as we release the parents whose children are still in school, which is the larger number, and who actually may not have been injured directly. We know that they will need a lot of support, psychosocial support.
Also do everything to ensure that if there is anyone who was involved in causing this fire, that justice will be done so that your colleagues that justice is done so that your colleagues who lost their lives and those who got injured may not be in vain. Even though we may never change the situation, we must be able to ensure that such a situation again should not happen on the part of those who caused culpability. Kwa hivyo nataka niwaambie ni poleni sana na Mungu awabariki.